Your question is, since October, you have a brand new Meta account, a new business account also. In your account, you have just an advanced plus advantage plus sales campaign available. You can't figure out what campaign structure do you need to make. This is a very big question. When it comes to advantage plus, okay, now when it comes to sales campaign at the moment, Meta is now doing default advantage plus sales campaign. All right. So yeah, thank you so much for joining. It's 30 minutes on the dot. Wow, this is great. All right. So yeah, so this is what we do. Every Sunday night, we go live to answer your questions. If you have any questions, pop your question on any of my videos or as a comment. I'm going to capture that and answer your questions here. Or you can join me live over here and ask a question. Yeah, but in case you need something more urgent help, scan this QR code. You can book a one-on-one Zoom call with me to tackle whatever challenges that you're facing right now when it comes to meta advertising. And I look forward to work with you. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good one. I'll see you next week. Good night. Bye.